Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing a little install on the e-brake. It's this product called the Love Button from We Are Likewise. And yeah, so all you're going to need today is these pliers and then some needle nose pliers if you want to take out that little spring in there. And yeah, some people like to put a piece of cloth over this or a piece of plastic just to preserve the button. But I don't really care about it, so what we're gonna do today is just go full send and just take this off, and we'll cut back once we have the button taken off. Alright guys, so we took it off already. You know, see the damage done when you don't have the protectant over it.
She dirty.
But I don't really care, it's going in the trash anyways. If you want it for the drift purposes, you get your needle nose pliers and you take out this little spring, and they'll prevent it from locking up on you, so you could just, you know, pull it and have it fall down automatically.
You don't even need pliers. You could also use like a pen.
Yeah, something to take it out.
Still come out.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep it on for this purposes, for my daily purposes, I guess. And this is how the product looks. Well, it seems like a very sturdy build, like it's gonna last too. So really simple, guys. Just thread it in. And it only needs to be hand tightened. You don't want to go at it with like another plier or anything, because you don't want to mess up the overall paint on this. And yeah, there we go, guys. Pretty simple install. Alright guys, so overall build quality is really good. It has a little bit of weight to it. It's not the heaviest thing in the world, obviously, but it has some nice weight to it. Has that custom logo, you know. You could do it yourself. They offer an option where you can customize it to your name or your username for Instagram or something, but it's not going to be that fancy with the lettering. They offer black, gold, and the other option, I believe it was like an oil slick. The pricing on this, I think I paid $35 to $40 in total, including shipping. So the shipping from Australia was like $15, but I got it within 5 days. And I would recommend this product for the GT86, BRZ, and any other FRSs out there, you know, to add a little custom touch to it. It's gonna be basic with that little gray button. And yeah guys, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Alright, later.